Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin replacing the fan in your MSI PS428M, you'll need some essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. First, power off your laptop and unplug it from the wall. It's crucial to ensure there's no residual power. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is important for your safety and to prevent any accidental short circuits. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel of your laptop. Keep track of the screws by placing them in a small container. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover using the flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, locate the fan. It should be easily visible. Before you proceed, take a moment to clean out any dust or debris using the compressed air. This helps improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you need assistance with diagnostics or cleaning, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, disconnect the fan's power cable gently. There may be additional screws securing the fan in place. Carefully remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver and lift the fan out. Before installing the new fan, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU if necessary. This ensures proper heat transfer. If you're unsure about the process, we can provide a quote before repair, and our team is ready to assist you. Take your new fan and align it with the screw holes in the laptop. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the power cable for the fan, making sure it's seated properly. If you don't have the tools required for this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to travel or make any calls. Once the fan is installed, it's time to put the back panel back on. Align it carefully and press down until you hear it click into place. Then, secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it earlier, and plug the laptop back in. Power it on and ensure the new fan is functioning correctly. Check for any unusual noises or performance issues. If everything seems fine, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the fan in your MSI PS428M. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.